discussed about in a previous, so what we were discussing already about, so what is financial statement, separate financial statements. So I have given the converged version for consolidated financial statement and when consolidation has to be applied. So if consolidation is done as per accounting standards, how it has to be. So full consolidation, partial consolidation, and equity method of consolidation, etc. So this is all we have discussed. Yeah. So that's how it's going on. Now let's move on to the in consolidation. Suppose if we go, so how many types of investment? Suppose if I say subsidiary, correct? So when consolidation is applicable, only when there is a investment in subsidiary, then only it is applicable, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So therefore, let us go and figure out. So how many types of consolidation problems we supposed to solve? So what are the types might be there in consolidation? Got it? Now, my dear friends, suppose if I say types of problems. Yeah. So now types of problem. First, let us say first one, my dear friends, it is called as single subsidiary. Single. What is that?
Single subsidiary.
Single subsidiary. That means X has the investment in Y Limited. That's it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next. So second case, let us go it multiple subsidiary. Multiple subsidiary. Correct? So multiple subsidiary. X has the investment in Y Limited and X has the investment in Z Limited. Got it? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. Third one, it is called as it is chain holding. Chain holding. X has the investment in Y Limited. Y has the investment in Z Limited. Got it? Yeah. Next, fourth one we call it as triangle holding. Triangle holding. So that is X has the investment in. Let us make. Wait. X has the investment in Y Limited. Y has the investment in. Let us make. Y has the investment in Z Limited. Y has the investment in where? Z Limited, and X also has the investment in Z Limited. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. X has the investment in Y Limited, so it is a subsidiary. So that company has the investment in Z Limited. Also, X also has the investment in X also has the investment in Z Limited. Got it?
In this case, Z Limited is a subsidiary of Y Limited.
No, we have to check. Suppose here, for example, here if investment is said, it is a 80%, correct? Outsiders 20%. So here it is 60%. Let's make here 70%. Both are subsidiary. So here it is 80%. So here it is 75%. So that means for Y Limited Z is subsidiary. For X Limited Y is subsidiary. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here X Limited has the 90% or 100% interest. It can be any percent. If I write 90%, that doesn't mean that. So then only it is trial holding. No. So I will write here 90%. But here 75%. Here 25%. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So in that case, now look out. 75% was managed by Y Limited, where I have 90% interest. Correct?
Yes,
Correct? So that means this is, look out, this both are, look out, this is called 25%, what we call it as a direct holding. For X Limited, 25% is directly I have holding in a Y Limited. Correct?
Direct. Yeah.
Yeah. So 75% into 90%.
Yes, sir.
75% into 90%, it is called as indirect holding or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Indirect holding. So now it's more than, if it is more than 50%, then its consolidation will apply or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So like this. Are you understanding slowly?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. You're all nice students. Yeah. So now fifth one is called as cross holding. Cross holding. Yeah. Sir, what is cross holding? X Limited has the investment in Y Limited. Yeah. In return, Y Limited has investment in X Limited. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sir, like this possible? Yes. Anything is possible in our class, you know. Yeah. So till now what I said was, my dear friends, till now what I said was, it is a domestic branches, domestic subsidiary. Yeah. Domestic
Subsidiary.
subsidiary. So now it can be have a foreign subsidiaries also.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Foreign subsidiaries also it can be. Look out here, single subsidiary. In a single subsidiary, that single subsidiary itself foreign subsidiary. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Here X Limited is Indian operation. Suppose if it's a holding company, is Indian company, and subsidiary I said here single subsidiary. If it's a domestic Indian subsidiary, so then normally Indian subsidiary we will take. Suppose if it is a foreign single subsidiary but foreign. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, next one, multiple subsidiaries. So here, X Limited is an Indian company. So here that's more than one subsidiary I said. So out of this, imagine suppose two subsidiaries are there. Out of that, one is Indian subsidiary, one is foreign subsidiary. Possible?
Possible, sir.
Yeah. Next, chain holding. So X Limited in India, Y Limited in India, Z Limited is foreign. Possible?
Sir.
Yeah.
Possible.
So like this, anything is possible. Correct? So if a foreign subsidiaries are there, so only additional thing was conversion of trial balance. In branch accounts, have you did? In IPCS level, in branch accounts, have you did conversion?
Sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Conversion of trial balance into reporting currency?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Same. That trial balance, if you convert, thereafter it is a picking up of figures and facts are same as like how we did in our first 5 cases, same thing. Correct?
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So next here is this is the sixth variety of problem. So here I'm not restricting sixth variety means only foreign branch means it is only one foreign branch. In all 5 I can replace, I can implement foreign. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
next 7th one is associate. So associate. 8th one is joint venture. 8th one is what?
Joint venture.
Joint venture. So that means, sir, what actually you mean? That means it is like example I'm giving here. Example is, so X Limited is a holding company. So one subsidiary, Y Limited, 80%. So this is a subsidiary, na? When subsidiary is there, then only associate consolidation will apply as per accounting standard or no? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
one
Yes, sir.
subsidiary and one associate. A Limited, 40%. Are you understanding? Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. So one associate, that is a one subsidiary, one associate. Or holding company has the 2 subsidiary, 1 associate. Or 1 subsidiary, 5 associate. Like this, any combination possible. That means with the combination of associate also will associate one model of problem. Got it? One associate, one subsidiary. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Example. So next, another example here is, so X Limited has subsidiary is damn sure. Subsidiary should be there at any cost because only when Ind AS 110 is applicable, then only consolidation is applicable. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So Y Limited, so which is subsidiary, let us make this is 80% investment. So there joint venture will be there. So joint venture 90%. But it is joint venture, you already know it, it's a non-controlling interest. Correct? So
Yes,
this
sir.
combination also possible. Or there may be all combination or not.
Yes,
All
sir.
combination. All combination. So that means, so holding company H Limited has the investment in Y Limited, which is 90% subsidiary, 90% subsidiary. Then one Limited 40%, which is called as what? Associate.
Associate.
And one
Yes, yeah.
joint venture, which is 100% investment completely. Yeah, 100% investment, which is called as joint venture. So this is joint venture. So all that is, once if it is a subsidiary is applicable, automatically at that time along with the subsidiary, if you have the investment in associate and joint venture, that also is to be applicable or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So this is types of problem. So what is the types of problems? What is the category of problems might be there?
8 type.
Yeah, and category. and category. Yeah. So now in each of this problem, my dear friends, in each of this problem, so you have to check. So that is in each of the problem there might be three category of problems in each. Are you understanding? In each. Sir, what is category of problem? Category of problems in each type. Are you understanding? Number one, control is acquired
Yes, sir.
at the beginning. At the beginning of financial year. Are you understanding? Beginning of the what?
Yes.
Financial year. Number two, control is acquired during the financial year. Partly during the year. That means imagine on 1st April, for example, 1/4/2020. Suppose if I acquire the business, so that day, if it is acquired, so that means it is a full year consolidation, correct?
Yes, sir.
Full year.
Yes.
Suppose if the control is acquired during the period, that is after 6 months, suppose if I have acquired, that day, that is up to 6 months is pre only. So after acquisition, it is a post, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next,
Yes.
third one, it is called as multiple acquisition. Multiple acquisition. Multiple acquisition. So it is not step acquisition. Not step. Multiple acquisition is different from step acquisition. Are you understanding slowly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And important note. Yeah. So that is consolidation. If I do, my difference, so there may be adjustments of on the date of acquisition, consolidation will be there. Then usually at the balance sheet date, what is the changes we have to implement? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So therefore, consolidation adjustments are classified into consolidation adjustments are classified into acquisition date adjustments and reporting date adjustments. Are you understanding slowly? Clear? Yeah. So that means these are the category of problems, my difference. Three category. That means imagine. Shall I go for now?
So one second.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now, my dear friends, look out. In each, suppose if it's a single subsidiary type, if I take, in that three types of problem will be there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is, if a single subsidiary, if the control is acquired at the beginning of the year, how the consolidation has to be done, adjustments has to be done. If the control is acquired at the during the period, how it has to be done. If the control is acquired suppose if it's a multiple acquisition, how adjustments has to be done. Three problems are in one category, in one type.
Then what is the meaning of
Sorry?
multiple acquisition?
Multiple
What is
acquisition.
the-
That means, my dear friend, suppose first time you acquired when that is control is means what? When
More
the
than
moment you
50%.
acquire more than 50%, that time what we call it as control. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Suppose if you have a 20%, 30% investment, so it is not a subsidiary, it is an associate format. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is first you had, just imagine, first you had only 20%, thereafter you added 10%, thereafter you added 10%, so finally 50%. The moment another next day you acquired 5%. So that means the moment when you acquire that 55% of that next 5% interest, that time only it is a controlling interest. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So till that time, that whatever 10%, 20% you have added up to controlling percent, that adding step by step is called as step acquisition. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That adding is called as what? Step
Step.
acquisition. But multiple acquisition means after control is acquired, that is 50% you acquired. So just imagine first time when you have invested in that subsidiary, 60% you have acquired. That means that the moment when you got 60%, that is the date of control.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then after that, before consolidation, that is before the date of consolidation, you still 40% was there. In that 10% in a 2 installment you have acquired.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So it is not step acquisition, because step acquisition means 20%, 10%, 10%, 5%. That step by step you have acquired. By the time you have acquired the control, that is step acquisition.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Multiple acquisition means already control interest is acquired. Beyond control interest, if you again and again, if you keep on accumulating the shares of that company, it is called multiple acquisition. Got it?
Yes, sir.
That means, sir, why that treatment means up to 60%. That is the first time when you acquire the 60%. For 60% of shareholders, on that date, up to date of control, it is a pre, thereafter it is a post. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Next, suppose if you acquire next 10%, for that 10% shares, up to the date of acquiring that 10%, it is a pre, thereafter only post. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But already 60% shareholder, it is in a post position. But for 10% alone, so what we have acquired later part, for them only, till that's the date when I acquired 10%, till that time it is a pre, thereafter only post. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Like that adjustments will come promote. Yeah. Very nice problems, Yeah. So now imagine. So in a consolidation, suppose if I want to solve in each category or in each type, just one problem if I want to solve, how many problems we have to solve? Just let us have the eye view. Yeah. So in single subsidiary, 3 problems are.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So 3 problems are. Multiple subsidiary, 3 problems are.
Yes, sir.
That two, how one subsidiary, there is only 2 subsidiaries. That is multiple subsidiary means here I have taken one holding company and 2 subsidiaries. That too, in that 2 subsidiary, it is control is acquired beginning, during, or end. Correct? Sorry, or multiple acquisition.
multiple.
Correct? So in that combination, that is in one subsidiary, it is beginning of the year. Another subsidiary, it is during the period. Possible?
Yes, sir.
In one subsidiary, it is the beginning of the period. In another company, it is a multiple acquisition. Possible?
Yes, sir.
In one subsidiary, it is during the year. Another subsidiary, it's a multiple acquisition. Possible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like minimum here, if I'm not wrong, minimum 8 variety of problems possible. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, chain holding. Like that here also, minimum how much? In one subsidiary, it is a control is acquired during the period. So Y Limited has acquired in Z Limited, the control is acquired at the beginning of the year or any category. Possible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here also let us take in the minimum angle, let us keep only 3 here. 3 problem. 3 minimum let us keep. So here triangle holding also let us keep 3. Cross holding let us keep during the period holding. So love already how much is there? 3, 3 5 is 15 plus 5. Almost it is like 20 varieties. Or here also let us keep only 8 possible, but okay, let it be. Then suppose here one in case of subsidiary, if it's a foreign subsidiary option, if you use, yeah, in all that case, again here also some 15 problems will come.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes or no? In all the case, whatever here 5 we have used. So here single holding this and all, what 5 category we have used. In all the category, if I insert foreign operation also, it will get almost another 15 problems or not?
Yes, sir.
15 types will come. Correct? Minimum I am saying. If you keep on using the R&D and this combination, it will keep on increasing. I am saying minimum to come. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then, so in that, suppose here in multiple subsidiary, what you said, in that suppose one associate, one joint venture case or more than one associate, in that combination if I use, here also I can use some associate combination, here also I can use some 10 variety, here also some 10 variety, I can use it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here minimum if you use my difference here already 35 plus 15 already 45. So therefore minimum 50 variety of problems we can solve or not in one.
So basically, you want to say that the whole question paper of financial reporting can be summarized only on this chapter.
correct, Akshata, but we will ask any out of this 50 variety, any one variety we will ask and test for you 50 to 20 marks.
So that question, huh?
Out of this all variety,
I was
any one variety we will ask in a question paper for
ನಾನು
20 marks.
25 ನಾನು 25 to 30 marks ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರುಕಂದ ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ.
Sir, how many marks?
Maximum 20.
Maximum 20. Okay.
Arey, one question consolidation we can ask, no?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Consolidation ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? No.
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು
Compulsory ಬಂದ್ರೆ
That's why you have to study. So, but my dear friends, so you will look like so much of problems is there. But if you understand the category, that is how adjustments have to be done for these 3 types. Yeah. So, if control is acquired at the beginning of the year, how adjustments has to be done? If the control is acquired during the period, how adjustments has to be done? If multiple acquisition, if it is done, how adjustments has to be done? Same thing you have to implement for each category. No.
yes sir.
Correct? So that's all. So it will not be complication. So just till you understand that control is acquired at the beginning of the year, during the period, and multiple acquisitions. Since the students doesn't know this category, so they feel like it is hectic and it is vast. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you understood types of problems. So how many are there in consolidation? Correct? In what combinations we can solve? Clear? Clear?
Sir, you give only 20 problems in your study material.
Correct. So that itself sufficient, which will cover everything, you know.
Okay.
Got it? So almost fine. Yeah. So now, along with this, my dear friends, so here all category which I have given is consolidated for the balance sheet variety of problems. So much of is there. Along with that, there may be a cash flow statement also and P&L also. Possible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that usually for examination, as of now, it is not much tested. So only limited problems are given. Moreover, for consolidation in your problem, they have given almost some 5 to 6 problems they have given. That's it. Correct? Yeah.
Yes.
So let us go. So this is how the types of problems are there, Pramod.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So as of now, are you feeling comfortable with me in consolidation?
Yes, sir.
Very good.